Hi everyone, it's MaryBeth from MbGray Designs. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make some dominoes. I got this mold from Let's Resin. I was hoping it would tell me how many ounces. I'm not seeing it on here, so we're just going to guess. But I'm thinking, what do you think, like a quarter of an ounce for each domino or something? I'm going to mix up 8 ounces and hope for the best. Hopefully I have a little too much. Maybe I'll make up 10 ounces. I don't know. Regardless, here's the colors I'm using. Aren't they pretty? So we've got the Rolio Noble White, which now I have a coupon code for Noble, for Rolio. So I've got one for Crafter, and I've got one for Rolio, and I've got one for J Diction. So they're in my description box, so save you some money. Anyways, Noble White by Rolio, Let's Resin, Dark Magenta, and then this MTBJZJ just cracks me up that fluorescent pink. So those are the 3 colors. We're going to be doing some fun, just squiggling them on there, and then we'll paint up all the little dots to make the numbers on the dominoes. So that is our plan. We're going to be using the Let's Resin 1:1 epoxy resin, part A, part B. And I'll be using the Let's Resin mini mixer. Since I'm only doing 8 ounces, we can just use the mini mixer today. So I'm going to get the resin mixed up and get it through the bubble remover. I will dilute my powder in a little bit of alcohol before I pour the resin in, get it again put through the bubble remover, and then I'll come back and we will pour. Okay, we are back. I'm going to set these aside for just a moment. So at first I was thinking I would pour each color in little paper cups so I can kind of bend it and have a little bit more control, which I'm still going to use these, but I think what I'm going to do is layer the resin. I think it's called a dirty pour. I've never done this before. So we'll do purple, pink, white, and kind of fill this up. So let's just try it and see what happens. So we'll do a little bit of purple, a little bit of pink, little bit of white. I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. Some purple. I really don't know if I'm doing this right. We're going to try it. Pink. White. Okay. Let's see about this. Let me squirt this mold. And let's start here. Oh, that's kind of cool looking. But I mean, won't they just blend together? I don't know. I don't want one color, you know what I mean? And I'm worried that's what's happening right now. It's all going to just blend together. I'm definitely going to dome these because I over poured one. I don't want to have to do a lot of trimming, you know. Ooh, that one's going to be purpley. They'll still go together. It'll be okay. Okay. All right. So this, I can tell you right now, is going to take me a hot minute because I'm going to be doming. I got to take care of over pours, you know, the works here. So I'm going to scrape up any excess. You can see I've completely over poured. So I got to be more careful on the future ones. And this might take me a while. So I think what I might do is fast forward this so that I can just put some music on. Yeah, I think that's probably best. We'll just fast forward.
Can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time.
Okay, I am just gonna dome these up. I think they're gonna be kind of cool looking. What do you think? And then I've got a big old mess going on. I do have a little bit of leftover, maybe about an ounce and a half or so. So I'll find something to put that in after I kind of clean around all these dominoes and everything. And then we will be back to demold. Okay, are we ready to demold our dominoes? They're still pretty warm. Um, let's see if we can get this bear out. So this bear has some colors from a different pour, and then I filled it up, so it's just a bunch of colors, different colors, but I think it'll be cute regardless. So let's see how little bear did. I'm probably gonna have to, oh no, I think I'm getting it. Okay, there we go. Give me 1 second to put my mold back. It's a cute little, I think you get 2 when you order this. I think it comes with 2. But there she is. She's really cute. So she has kind of some cream colors up there, and then we have the colors we just used in our dominoes. Except for I don't know if I had any of the white left. I can't remember. Maybe I did a little bit. But there's our bear. I do need to trim her or sand her just a little bit, and we'll decorate her up. All right, so I'm excited to see what these dominoes look like. Oh, yeah, okay. There's one of them. They're going to be, oh, I got resin all over. They're all going to be probably, different, but yet go together, if that makes sense. So we'll just kind of lay them out down here. Oh, they're cute. I was hoping for more pink on the bottom. I got more pink on the back, but I still think they're pretty. And I think I'm going to use silver to fill in the dots, All right, so that was kind of the first batch. Let me just move these over. These were fun to make. They're nice and thick though. They're nice little dominoes. A nice little set. Yeah, do you see what I'm saying? So see the beautiful, of course the back looks the best. But I guess if you're playing dominoes, you'll see the back also. I mean, I guess, I don't know. I don't really know how to play dominoes. So. You can definitely see the dark magenta, which is kind of that purple color. Man, I was really hoping for more pink on the front. That's okay. I still think they turned out pretty, and I think they're going to look really good with the silver in the dot and like the line here. I definitely do need to sand them. So just a little bit, not too bad. So there they are. What do you think of my domino set? I think they're going to be pretty. So I'll finish these up. I'll finish our bear up, and then I'll be back to show you the final reveal. All right. Okay, here's the final reveal. So here are all the dominoes. Oh, I got some alcohol in there. So I did sand them and I used Resin Restore on the back. What I learned is really take your time and dome them well so that you don't have to worry about sanding and all that. There were some that were domed really well and I didn't have to do anything. But yeah, this was an easy project. It was a fun project. I do like the colors. The only other thing is the way I poured with the dirty pour. I don't know. The pink was not showing up on the silicone first. So, but that's okay. It's on the back, you know. But I mean, there's a little bit of pink you can see, but I think it turned out good. I used just silver, like an oil-based metallic paint pen to paint the insides, as you can see, or you know, the dots and the line. And then I got the chest set also, and I got the dominoes. So I don't know if there were two bags. I don't know if it came with the dominoes mold or if it came with the chest mold. But you certainly can probably order some like little velvety bags to put them in. It would be nice to have a case, like a mold to make a domino case. So I'm going to look online and see if I can find one or just a box, just like a nice little box that would fit these in. Um, so that would be fun because then you could also mold it in similar colors or a complementary color and have a whole set with the box because they're just kind of loose. But I think that's what these are for. That's what came with them. But anyway, sorry, my my camera shut off. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. If you know, if you don't mind, I would love for you to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you don't like the video, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget that there are some coupon codes in the description box. So make sure to use those to save yourself a little bit of money when you're buying all your products and molds and such. All right, everyone. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.